You guys want to know how to easily install these things, because they kind of suck to install. I'll show you a little trick. You put a little grease around that O-ring there. Stick that right down in the hole. You want to take an extension, 10mm socket on there. Stick that down in there just like that. Sorry for the camera angle, it's probably kind of hard on the cell phone to be doing this shit, but hold that down there. You take a small one of these little hammers right here and just lightly tap. Just like that. Don't hit it too hard or you'll be screwed, but that's how you do it.